Jamaica, man, look how pretty. Very pretty. Look for them people. Good old plane, see light a big there and I see. And I see man there Lanny. Real life story people, you know see what I go on. And I see man there Lanny. And I see land. So what I go on, real life story, I don't know, joking something. Land the man there land and I see. Plane crash in Jamaica, Gregory Hutu, share and like, subscribe what I'll give him more man. You see them people? You see it? See the people? Big old something, look. And I see. Look for it. Look for it. And I see me people. You see it? Plane crash. In Jamaica, look for it. See all the light are being there. You see it? You see it? You see what I go on people? Real life story. I overload, you know. Check it out, my people. Real life story, man. Plane crash, man. In Rocky Point. Real life story. Joking something.
Hey, take care of it. Alright, so what kind of fucking you do, man?
This office tomorrow morning, we take the same way. So we are talking about us inside that plane there. Real life story.
Hold on. Papa, sit with him. We're going to go inside.
See there.
Papa, sit with him. We're going to go inside.
Joking something, man.
I'm joking something in our life. Thing this one. Rocky Point, right on the season, White Sand Beach. Seriously, you're inside that plane. This look. Seriously, we are talking about.
Plane crash.
Plane crash.
Everything. Look what I go on. Look what I go on, people.
How are
They have everything, people.
What is the
See what I go on, people. All of the oxygen, real phone. Everything.